Today's mini lesson is on the verb ser in the present tense. The verb ser is what's known as an infinitive, which is used as the purest form of a verb in Spanish. English equivalents of infinitives are words like to be in this case. So ser is equal to be. There are many, many infinitives. Every verb comes in an infinitive form: to dance, to study, to drink, to eat. And we know we can't use those in English with the pronoun I to eat, I to dance, I to study, I to swim. Those don't make any sense. We have to actually conjugate, and that's breaking the verb into its individual pieces so that way we can use it with the pronoun. For example, the verb ser in English would be I am, you are, he is, we are, they are. In each case, the verb is changing appropriate to the pronoun. Let's talk a little bit about pronouns. So, los pronombres personales. We can see that English has the word I. In Spanish, it's the word yo. So when you want to reference yourself as a subject of a verb, you're going to say yo. There is no gender. Both boys and girls use the same word, yo. Next, we see the informal you. This is your relaxed pair of jeans talking to one person, tú. It carries an accent mark. Later, we can see the word he, él, she, ella. The word él also has an accent mark. If it doesn't, it becomes the word the. We want the word he, carries the accent. And we also have the you formal, usted. Both tú and usted are used when talking to one person individually. If you want to be formal, you're going to use the word usted. That's wearing your tuxedo, your evening gown. While tú is more informal, you're relaxed, you're comfortable, you're speaking to your friends. You have the masculine and feminine forms of we, both nosotros and nosotras. So what we've done is taken the word yo and we've added one person, so it's no longer just I, but now it's we. Me plus someone else, nosotros. If it's a girl plus another group of girls, nosotras. Guys will never make nosotras because when there's one boy, it's always going to refer to nosotros. In Spain, there's also a plural form for the informal, tú. This is only used in Spain, and so we're not going to worry about it. You will see it showing up throughout the activities, and I will mention it throughout the course. However, vosotros and vosotras is limited to only Spanish speakers from Spain, and so we're not going to concern ourselves with that. Whenever we're speaking plural in the rest of the Spanish-speaking world, it's the word ustedes. So you should see there are three ways to say you. Tú, talking to a friend, just one. Usted, talking to someone formally, like your boss, or you want to show respect, or talking to more than one person, whether it's two people that are tú, two people that are usted, a mixture of tú and usted, it doesn't matter, it's going to be ustedes. We also have they plural, ellos, they feminine plural, ellas. So one more time through the list. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Just as a side note, this means that the Spanish speakers in Spain have to consider 5 forms. One person informally, one person, more than one person masculine informally, more than one person feminine informally, formal, more than one person formally. But as I mentioned, the rest of the Spanish-speaking world does not worry about vosotros. So tú, one person, your friend. Usted, one person to show respect. Ustedes, it doesn't matter, more than one person. So the verb ser, what are some of its uses? Here are some forms that we can see with ser. Things like, yo soy de los Estados Unidos. I'm from the United States. Yo soy de Cape Coral. I'm from Cape Coral. Yo soy norteamericano. I'm a North American. Yo soy profesor. I'm a teacher. So far we're seeing my origins and my profession. Hoy es el 12 de septiembre. Today is the 12th of September, the date. Son las 9 de la mañana. It's 9 a.m., the time. Or characteristics like yo soy alto e inteligente. I am tall and intelligent. In each case, you can see that we have yo soy going with the actual statement. So the soy is referencing yo. As you see the conjugated forms of ser, I've left in yellow yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, and usted all share the form es. Nosotros and nosotras both use somos, and ellos, ellas, and ustedes use son. So when I want to make a statement that says I am, I'm going to say yo soy. You want to talk to someone in the informal sense, you're going to say tú eres. You want to say he is, él es. She is, ella es. You are, and I know that's weird because it looks like it's the word is, but when it's with usted, it becomes you are. This is the formal way of saying you. Usted es. Tú eres informal, usted es formal. Nosotros somos, we are. Ellos son, they are. Ellas son, they are. Ustedes son, you all are. When we're seeing ser conjugated, it looks like this. Yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, usted es. Nosotros somos. As mentioned previously, vosotros is only in Spain, but this is what it looks like. Sois. Ellos, ellas, and ustedes son. Because these are also individualized, many times you'll see that Spanish speakers will actually leave off the personal pronoun. It's neither incorrect nor correct to do so. It's fine. You can leave it off. You can say yo soy, or you can just simply say soy, because there's no way that you would be confused by saying soy that you're referencing ellos, ellas, or ustedes. Or if you say eres, you know it has to be tú because you wouldn't ever confuse that with somos. Eres only goes with tú. The only time this is problematic, as you can tell, is with the él, usted, and with the ellos, ellas, ustedes. So many times, the first time that the person is mentioned or that you're talking about them, you would use the pronoun él es. But then in subsequent sentences, you could just say es because we know you've already mentioned él. Your turn for practice. Go ahead and pause the video here for a second and see if you can do these translations very quickly. Ready? Pause. Great job. Hopefully you came up with these forms. I've left in yellow for you so you can see yo soy, I am, yo soy. He is, él es. She is, ella es. And you formal, usted es. We are, nosotros somos. We have our you informal, tú eres. And then we have our plural forms, they are, the group of girls, ellas son. You all, ustedes son. They masculine, ellos son. Muchas gracias y adiós.